and double shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. Even almost not married, and for Pete I'm so thankful.
Hey y'all, what's going on? So the first thing I'm just going to do is prep my lips for everything. Let me put some lip oil on my lips. Now I'm going to be taking this PLouise. This is my first time trying out the PLouise. I don't know how I feel about it. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it was a waste or whatever, but I'm going to be taking one of my Morphe brushes and just blending in all of that products. My palette from James Charles look crazy because my son dug all into it, but I'm going to be starting out with that orangey shade. I don't have the names right in front of me, but it's okay. You could use whatever color you have that's similar to this one. Then I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to be adding some yellow into it just to brighten up the orange. Now on a smaller, not on a smaller brush, but sort of with my BH Cosmetics brush, I'm going to be taking that hot pink at the bottom and I'm going to be going back in with that orange and just blending it all together. I want it to be like one color. Now I'm going to be blending my now I'm going to be taking that purple and pink, and so it could be like a deeper pink, like a pinky purple. Like, I don't know how to explain these things, but then I'm going to go back in with that orange and make sure everything is blended in together. Guys, blending is key. Oh my god, my arms was killing me. Like, blending is really key. So now I'm going to cut my lid with using another Morphe brush, and I took the PLouise, my dumb self. Please wait till this thing dries. First of all, I'm just so dumb. I thought it was just gonna immediately get tacky, but it didn't. So just wait till it dries. Now I'm just going to add a pop of yellow right under my eyebrow and just make sure everything is nice and set. So with my BH Cosmetics brush, I'm going to take that white color and I'm going to put it in the inner corner. That is a poppin' white, I must say. I've never really dealt with white. Like, I don't really add it in my eye looks, but yeah. The next shadow was yellow right next to the white, and then the pink. So basically what I did was I placed the eyeshadows first, then I blended them out and, you know, like added more shadow on top just to make sure everything was crispy clean and you know. Now I'm going to do liner. I always struggle doing my eyeliner. I like doing my eyeliner with an actual eyeliner brush. That is my preference, whether it's gel, liquid, anything. Like, I just like using my eyeliner brush because I have better control. I don't like this eyeliner. I had this eyeliner for some time now, but I like my other eyeliner I just cannot find at the moment. Well, I couldn't find at that moment. I don't know. I would have to go in my makeup drawer and try to find that. Now I'm going to like fake color correct. Like, I don't know if I need something red or orange, but I just wanted to I get very, very, very red, especially like being outside all day and stuff like that. Like, this was like right after work, and I get really red on my face, so I just use some of that ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade dark. Is it 40 or dark 60? I don't know. But I'm going to use one of these buffer brushes that I have. Y'all know this is my OG brush. And I'm just going to blend that all into my skin. Next, I'm only going to spray my face only because I forgot to put on primer. Like, my face was moisturized, but like, I don't know, I just sprayed my face. I just had to, just to make it, you know, not so matte or whatever the case might be. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter stick foundation in the shade 167. I think it's neutral, if I'm not mistaken, but it's the shade 167. In my last video, I had mixed 2, but this one was like spot on. I thought this one was a little bit too dark, but it wasn't. I took that, I blended it out with my Y6 brush from Morphe. And the areas that I felt that needed a little bit more, like under my chin and on my neck, I just added a little bit more because I felt like this foundation is like buildable, maybe like medium coverage. I just wanted to up it up a notch. Now I'm going to take my concealer from LA Pro Girl. Yeah, I know I use this concealer in all of my videos. This is the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to apply that under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and also my chin. And taking a BH Cosmetics foundation brush, I'm just going to blend that all in. Now taking the deep dark 190. What was that number? I think it was 190. Oh my god, I'm so bad with this. But I'm going to contour with the foundation stick, and I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild brush and blend that all out. For my nose, you guys know I like to take my Morphe brush, a small contour brush, just to do my nose. This is the perfect nose contour brush. Next, I'm going to take that ColourPop No Filter setting powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to press in that banana shade into my skin. I love it. Like, I'm going to bake it all over the places where I put my concealer, and I'm going to chisel that contour. Next, I'm going to apply just the pink. Now, I'm not going to bring all the colors on the bottom half of my eyes. I'm just going to add just the pink down in my waterline. Now I'm just going, while my face is baking, I'm going to go back in with those colors just to make sure all those colors is blended in and everything like that. Now I'm going to take this blush from AOA Studios, which is shopmissa.com, in the style Auburn, and I'm going to add some blush to my face. Then after that, I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild brush and just dust away all of that setting powder. And I really like this setting powder because it's true to color. It's not too yellow, not too white. Like, it's the best. After that, I'm just going to take my Morphe setting spray and just spray my face just so we don't have to look too powdery. Now I'm going to take my Master Chrome Maybelline's highlighter and just highlight my face. Now I'm going to take this ColourPop lip pencil in the shade BFF3, and I'm just going to line my lips along with the BH Cosmetics Martha liquid lipstick. And this combo is so perfect. It's the it's the right nude, the right brown. Like, I love it so much. I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial on this. What is this, like a sunset? Like, I can't forget to tell you guys that I love you so much, and we're on the road to 1K. Thank you guys for subscribing, and I will definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.